Jamushi Travels is back and today we'll share to you our Philippine Airlines experience from Cebu to Fukuoka.
Hi, Bibi.
Ah,
Saan ka pupunta?
punta tayo sa Manila.
Dahil?
Babalik tayo papunta somewhere.
Sa
Japan!
Fukuoka. So, since walang direct flight from Cebu going to Fukuoka, so magta-transit muna tayo sa Manila and then nandun na yung family. So, sasabay tayo sa kanila papunta doon. So, yun lang. See you there. Okay, so tayo sa may transfer desk na sa start. Okay.
Upon arriving at Terminal 1, I got my travel tax exemption because it's just less than 24 hours since I arrived from Bangalore and now we're up for another destination. And did you know that you can get tax exemption, travel tax exemption from it? So of course we availed it, and lo and behold, the long line of the immigration, and here we are running since we're the last passenger to board the Fukuoka flight.
Items are secured before stowing your bag.
So another Japan series will be posted again in the upcoming video. So for now, let's fast forward again so I can share to you our experience going back to Cebu from Fukuoka via Philippine Airlines.
Safe trip, Fukuoka. Annyeong. Hi, ang ganda na ng Fukuoka Airport. Ganda. So ngayon pupunta muna tayo sa lounge. So ang discover namin ngayon is pag elite ka sa PAL, pwede kang mag-request nung kahit hindi ka business class, nung itong form na to. Yan, pwede mo i-request yan. Tapos makaka-bypass ka dun sa may business class area. So okay siya. Oo. Laki ng in-improve ng Fukuoka Airport. Yan o yung
Hindi, ito.
Ano tawag dun?
Ito, Bibi.
Flight 841 to Taipei, where startup
Hi, Mimi. How are you here?
Ang saya dito. Ganda nitong lounge ng... Ano to?
Fukuoka.
Lounge Fukuoka.
Oo.
Yan. So, nakapasok tayo dahil elite sa Mabuhay Airlines. Ay, Mabuhay Miles, Philippine Airlines. And ang ganda ng ano nila, ang daming choices. So, pwede kang kumuha ng parang banchan. Tapos may Hakata Udon. And ngayon tinry ko beef kima. And then, ang daming choices na drink. Calpis, our favorite. And may iced coffee rin. And Costco.
Costco.
So,
Ay, naalala ko hindi nag-Costco.
so, ayan, daming charging station. And ang ganda na rin ng view ng airport. Airline. Airport. May mga bundok.
Ang ganda.
Mm.
Super best na ano to.
So far.
Oo, no?
Ganda.
So,
Ayun. So, ayun. Thank you, Philippine Airlines. Bye.
bye.
Nandun sa may unit.
Okay, going home. First leg. J, no? Okay.
Ganda. Neo yung
At
airline.
least, nasaya si na mama. Okay. Okay, last leg. Hindi ko na na-video kanina pero nag-drop kami ng bag. Kinuha yung bags. Nag-drop ng free shuttle transfer to Terminal 2. And then, since ginagawa or magsasara ng maaga yung pang-elite na lounge, so pinalipat kami dito sa premium area. Pero almost the same naman, parang binago yung upuan, hindi ko sure. Pero almost the same naman yung feels. So anyway, yun lang. Bye!
Bye.
See you, Cebu!
So that's the end of our PAL adventure going to Fukuoka. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe.